has updates. It was excellent and now it's out of this world. And I'm here to show you. If you don't know it, you need to hear me out because this will become your best friend ever. It will help you in everything. And it has updates. Let's start. Link will be in description as always, no worries. Once you open it, sign up with your Google account or any other. And this is the interface you see. Click on try it out. If you already have tried it, all of your projects will be here. Let's choose one I've done. On your left, you'll have all the sources you have uploaded. You can choose them and ask questions about it. You can ask for an outline, you can ask for a summary, you can ask for notes, you can ask for a map mind. Let's see how this works. Click to open it. You can see all the topics it talks about, and you can even open and get more ideas. How precious is this? And if you move, see, oh, this is really good. This is really good. This is wonderful because then you know what it is about and you can see the topics and whatever it is talking about, and you can do it for any source. This is amazing and it's very, very useful. Also, you can find more sources. So you choose the topic, and I'll just say digital era because that's the topic I have over here, although it is in Portuguese. And I asked for Notebooklm to find it for me, and it will search for sources as well. And you can add these sources to, imagine you don't like this one, you take it out. If you want to leave it on, you just leave it. If not, and if you choose import, it will appear on your left menu. This is new. This is fantastic. You can also ask to create a podcast. And if you choose personalize, you can ask the podcast to be about something specific, just about a topic, a chapter. You want some more, a deeper insight about something, and you can ask the podcast to be like that. So this is in personalization, and you just ask it to generate. So you also have definitions, and here is where you can choose the language you want it to be in. This is new, this is the latest update, and this is fantastic. Just choose the language you'd like your podcast to be, and that's it. As you can see, you already have so many languages, and I have Portuguese from Portugal and from Brazil, which is something you usually don't see. Once you've done that, you just click on generate, and you'll have your marvelous, interesting, dynamic. I've already done 2 other tutorials on Notebooklm because this is a new way of working and this is absolutely amazing. I cannot tell you enough. You will love this because you can do so much with it, and it's a new way of working. Work smarter, not harder. And you can even intervene. If you click on interactive mode beta, which is still in beta, you can interact with conversation, and you can watch this on my next video because you will love it. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me on my journey. Bye bye for now.